Do you want my chicken? Well, you can't have it. You can't have it. Go. Go that way. Go. Get out. Get out of my face. Hey, go. Did you just throw this drink at me?
You want
Do you want my chicken?
crap. You get one pitch. One pitch.
I'm gonna put on this wig.
That's my phone.
I fix for you. I fix for you. I just wipe right off. Excuse me.
You're so funny.
She's gonna make my night, I swear.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's like magic, like
Blind dog.
Oh, you sprayed OxyClean all over her skin earlier.
I couldn't find a mosquito spray and I figured it would do the job.
It'll bleach you.
You know, I thought about that, but I wouldn't mind looking like Michael
leaves
Jackson. I mean, look at his life. Like, look at the life he led, you know?
Oh my god.
First of mine.
And he did not bleach himself. He had a rare skin disease because he was shooting that Billie Jean video with the Pepsi thing, and the sign blew up and the sparks got in his hair. I saw the movie.
And propofol got into his veins.
Yeah. Yeah. You weren't there. You know, that.
So don't even try, okay?
Yeah. Don't even try to tell me. That's my cousin. Twice removed.
Frozen.
Good.
Stop
She just like ate it frozen and then threw it back up frozen in her mouth.
the baby bird.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not.
Oh, it's got like a little bump it. Look at that. Look at
Do it for you, Colin.
look at it. Just look.